Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my vlog. Ayan, dasdaan. Oh, nice. Yeah, just pass by here on the other side. See, this is McDonald. See, and we're in the mall again. Anyway, guys. Today is Sunday. Sunday is a family day. This is good. There's only few people now. It's still early. Some of the shops not open yet. See. Anyway, if you like my video, guys, don't forget to like. Leave a comment suggestion. Of course, don't forget to very much. See, I'm here in the mall. Almost every day I'm coming here. The shop still closed. They're not open yet. See what even the pharmacy still closed. Weekend today. Maybe that's the reason why. Anyway, that's all for now. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Sunday is a family day. Enjoy your day together with your family. Bye.